love the bad guys song. Mommy, look.
Ooh.
This is an airplane. It goes like,
Nice.
it's like super fast. Like super duper fast. And it goes like this high. And he flies like. Ooh, what are you drawing?
I don't know. Some sort of flower.
Ooh, those are cool. And now these down here.
Like grass.
Make rain for these to grow.
Okay.
Make raindrops. And make a thunder. Thunders are really tricky. Thunders are really tricky. Yeah, but watch this.
Oh yeah.
I can make thunders and lightning. Mommy, lightning goes like.
Yeah.
So this is the lightning.
I'm gonna do a butterfly.
Ooh. I love butterflies. I love butterflies. If thunders go, it makes fire.
Yeah.
Boat.
That's unfortunate. I'm gonna do this to make this part of the cloud.
Now, mommy. Now I'm going to draw inside it. You're drawing the same as me. I'm really big.
You get a big one.
Yeah, but you are small. I'm big.
Want any different colors?
Nothing. I just want this color. I'm choosing a different color.
I'm gonna use this one. See what happens.
Are you going to draw inside them?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna paint later.
I think you're drawing inside it. The thunder's really tricky. The thunder's really tricky to draw inside. I got drawn this inside. I got drawn this inside. And this one. I love drawing inside these when I draw them like this.
Yeah.
Because I made this person. And now I got draw inside here. This is a boy person. Really big. You like this color?
Sharpies are my favorite.
Is that Sharpie?
Yep. It says Sharpie.
What's this say?
So it's the same thing? They look the same? Yeah. Same thing.
Sharpie.
Yeah.
It's just like staying nice.
Oh, she have a Sharpie too?
I'm fast and going.
Oh.
Super fast. Bum bum. Bum bum. I draw it on the table.
Uh-oh. We'll get it off later.
Oh, or you can do this. See? I love the bad guys. Look at this.
Whoa.
That's super cool.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. Can you you tell me about it? About what you drew?
This part is the corn that goes inside. It's a little tiny circle. And this part looks like a little thing. And then you put the cup and you light the cup. And then he lights the cup. And then his feet are like shower and he lights it.
Ooh. Did you have fun? Me too.
Look what pictures we drawn. Oh, I forgot about arms. These arms are the chemicals that think in the water. So you can reach in the water and it doesn't hurt it. And his head is called worm and then it squirts water out of his head.
Very cool.
And that's what this picture is.
All right. Say bye.
Bye!